Class 5 Computer. Hello students, this is the 5th video session class on chapter number 5. It is working on tables in MS Word 2010. Now, in the last video session class, I've shown you practically how to insert a table, the three different ways to insert a table, and converting text to a table, and converting a table to a text, moving and resizing a table. Now, in this video session, and modifying a table to move around in the table, to enter text in the table also I have told you in the last video session class. Now this is the 5th and the last video session class of chapter number 5. This is chapter number 5 ki 5th video session class, and last and 5th video session class ni I'll show you practically the remaining topics, that is to add a new row at the end of a table. Now let's start with this, to add a new row at the end of a table. Table gi aroibada koina row ma kamaina hapkani. Now you click on the last cell of the last row. The last row is quite last cells da. Now you just click here, and from the keyboard you press the tab key. Now look carefully, I'll show you slowly. Just click over any duga last row gi last row gi last cell. From you click on the last cell of the last row, and from the keyboard you press tab key. Now automatically a new row has been added here. A blank new row has been added here. See last cell is last row the click over tab number makhada row mala. Now if you want another row, you can add. You have to click on the last cell of the last row and press the tab key from the keyboard. Maina cell ma row ma ha ke gini maina ha pe. Or what you can do is, normally you will see tabs to the view tab on the ribbon. You can also add a new row above or below existing in a row. To add a new row above or below, suppose if you want to insert a row below this serial number 1, that is the second row. Below this second row, this is first row, this is second row. Second row, if you want to add a table, there also you can do it in a mind of any. Let's just click on the row, go to the layout tab, and from the rows and columns group, there are many groups here under the layout tab. Layout tab ke group में table, rows and columns, merge, cell size, alignment, data. Dagi rows and columns group se chang biro, then sigi in a click to river cells rows gi makhada happy hagadi insert below. Insert rows below. Now when I bring the mouse pointer here, now it shows insert rows below. Insert rows below. You want makada row happy. Now if you click on the cell number 3, that is first row, second row, third row, fourth, fifth row. Now if you want to insert a row above the fifth row, there also you can click on the fifth row, and you click here, go to the layout tab, and from the layout tab you go to the rows and columns group the chango, and rows and columns group the chango matungda insert above sina ke dino aina hoji click toriba rows gi mathakta hapteba insert above, that is insert rows above. You click here, now a row has been inserted, a blank row has been inserted here. Now like this you can insert rows at any point and any row in between, to add a new row at any place in the table. Place any mafam amada hekta ang hamning mafam da hapay kaya layout tab changani, duga rows and columns changani, duga insert above, insert below changaga ang hamning ba apada rows do hapay above la below ra na click to ibang patlegi ko. Or makhadana si makhad laibsigi hapke haigana last row gi last cell sida mouse ni click to thamani, aduga nang se keyboard tagi tab I'll press a tab here I tab now ko now a new row has been inserted here sumana hapasu yai in the last row gi makhada hapakpa la do marakta hape haigana a new row se click toraga insert above insert below se changana yare rows and columns changana. This is how we insert rows. Now next is how to insert a column. Column to someone you have to select the column. Column select to be any. Then column gidi sagi insert row insert below insert above I have no rows kini columns kina insert now this is the second column, first column, second column, third column, fourth column, fifth column. Now we click on the second column. Now we are in the second column now. Now if you want to insert rows to the left of the second column or to the right of the second column, oirom the pambra natraga yerom the pambra in column happy hagadi sida chamane layout tab changani rows and column changani insert left or insert right from the current cell usually is cell is ni is left the pambra right the if you want to insert left you insert columns to the left so left the happy or if you want to see right the pambagana insert right insert columns to the right insert right to the column to the right so happy main to ga hapa share sai gi chap mane left ta hapera right ta hapera do se hap ke table je manung changam ni upang gre si je undo to tho je haidi hani film de le je undo to ke di ke chani ke to le undo ko undo di lo ko ke ba ko so undo to tho ji kalam mo tho gre ko ko se ja chel hap ke sun ju undo to ke ye kina sai sai yo sun ju maning halapa undo to tho ko di hana ko to bi ko sun ju maning halapa wani rows kamai happy masung column kamai happy khange khoi ji now let's see how to delete a row and how to delete a column column mama kama kamai delete tawi no so row ma kamai delete tawi have long king see now click anywhere in the row that you want to delete if you want to delete the first cg cell number 1 second row so delete tawi have anywhere here anywhere in the row delete tawi see column delete tawi 3 rows delete tawi khala now go to the layout option now click on the delete here now delete cells delete columns delete rows delete table you want to delete rows so delete rows here delete rows so the second column has been the second row has been deleted second row is delete of minus see delete or the third first second third row delete if you want to delete the third row you click in the third row anywhere in the third row you can click here suppose you click here also anywhere in the third row then go to the layout tab and from the rows and columns group you go to the delete and you choose the option delete row now the third row has been deleted now there is only first and second row here. Now what we have done just now, you can undo it. We are going to give the maning hanbaya. Adu na kung sida undo it number click click or you can press Control Z from the keyboard also. For this will do the same function. When I sida namaga undo to je chamana na to undo heading je undo to je sida Control Z thari je Control Z sida Control Z thari je keyboard Control Z namaga undo to ju chamani. adu hujikina rows delete over now deleting column is also same just click on anywhere on the column digi anywhere mafam mada like the now second column if you want to delete the second column delete over hagasu anywhere on the second column the click to below aduga deletion nambiro now you want to delete the column so choose the option delete columns now the second column has been deleted or last column you want to delete the last column click anywhere in the last column anywhere column jigi last column jigi bokam amai kita click to biro aduga say delete namo aduga delete column pamanina choose the option delete column like this you can delete the columns also konya rows delete to bun mana columns use mana delete to be oh now let's undo it again namaga or you can now I'll press from the keyboard not from the undo button this is an arrow I'll press from the keyboard the control Z namaswe Control Z namaga to do or say the undo se namaga chap mani. Now we know how to insert columns, how to insert rows, how to delete a row, how to delete a column. Now let's go to the next topic, that is merging cells. Merging cells I already explained you in the last video session class. So I have merging cell means combining cells. How you can combine the cells? Now I'll add a row. I'll add a row above these headings. On a row I'll select here, then insert above. Insert rows above. The row map select. Now I'll type here name of the students. Name of the students like this. My name of the students are there. You can see that in a CEC. Merge together. How many cells are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 cells are here. Now if you want to merge together, combine together in one cell. So select the cells first, which you want to merge, which you want to combine. And combine to select to below. Duga katong sa merge key group ta changani, layout changaga, merge key group changaga, you choose the option merge cells. Now this cell is merged over. Number cell mangadu cell amakatangda merged over. Now here there were 5 cells here. Now it has been combined to only one cell. Now you bring this text to the center so that it may look good. Fajanaba again mayayda pubiro om na chalani center alignment naman mayayla si mayayda lai do mathaka lai si je mayayda lai do mathaka lai je mayayda chanta hani hai gasu just select the text, right click, duga cell alignment changbiba si cell alignment sida duga si mayay lai je sisna left to right to up to down to middle lai hai ne click to be mayay po Fazanaba is na kunya formatting to simba formatting hidi to look good. Fazanaba kunya sinja bazina. So manya kunya cells merged over here. Now cell merged over ini. Then if you want to split cells, the next topic is splitting cells. Cells kamana split to kadagi kaido kadagi amuk divide over. Now click on the cell which you want to split. And just divide to your cell to click to below. Then layout group to chang below. Merge group ta changani, layout tab ta changani, merge group ta changani. Duga split cells that click to be Duga number of columns you have to choose from. First go to the layout tab and go to the merge group, then go to the option split cells. Then there is a dialog box here, number of columns, how many columns you want. Suppose I want, like before, I want 5 columns. You insert here 5 columns. Then how many rows? Rows I want here only 1 row. In 1 row I want to divide 5 columns. Now click OK here. Now like before, the cell has been divided into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns and only 1 row. Okay, this is how we split cells. Now again, I'm telling you, I am kahagi muna tao. CJ, I na pamiba CJ cell C merge to ge hai combine to ge hai cell C. Mana click torani, click torga si chingaga, thame, dogo layout ke pachangani, doga merge ta chang merge group ta changaga, merge cell torani, ama tawe mana. Cell ama khatang waya cell ama khatang waya biji amu buina split to ke hai into 5 columns and 1 row. Row the only one tang waya je samang di madoga columns 5 waya hai ꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯁꯦꯂꯦꯛ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯔꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ sorry split cells changni number of rows 5 namani aduga number of columns sorry number of columns 5 namani number of rows na 1 samreni aduga okay taroni number of columns 5 lere number of rows na 1 lere mantoroga splitting cell split tobana sumaina kuna cells split tobeni merge osu kunjal badu merge to now resizing column resize tobadi kumaina resize tobi aina resize tobidu column du click tobirani okay then after that you go to the cell resize is sangaga increase sina height sisna row resize to bani sisna column resize to ge hagana column resize to column row to bani click to be asu maya column se chawon ge column se pian ge gana column se dawani aduga width ki oragana hojina sina width kini height ki oragana sina row se chawhalakpa sina and row se pihalakpa yen row se chawhalakpa ko जो पुलप की तौगे है जो किछु कायदे पुलप की तौगे है पुलप सिलेक्ट तौबिरनी दुगा इना सी एक तौरनी सीधा इना 2 हापिरानी सीधा इना 3 हापिरानी mana ina tawar जो किछु कायदे ओके Ilai posi searching जो है माइन सेंबा 1 दगी लाई इसना 0 ले हम दगी so हमें दो npm inverse माइन सेंबा जो आ रहे सिना width सेंबा सिना height सेंगे गना सिना row की सिना column की और सुमाइना तो भी है और अपना mouse सिजनरगा अइना साइजी चेंज होगी भी मफम से माना दरे तो अइना माउस की पॉइंटर सी लाइन से पोरानी लेफ्ट राइट एरो ओले मानचिंगा 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 जो है ये जो मांगता है जी जो होगा मांगना चाहिए ये जो चलेगा जो चिंगे से जो रोज की ओरेगा ना रोज के पास इधर अइना पॉइंटर से माउस की पॉइंटर से मुनिया से अइना माउस की पॉइंटर से लाइन पास होगा मिलता अप डाउन एरो लाइन अप डाउन एरो से क्लिक करो बस चिंगो लाइन चढ़ने और पेन गया ना माउस की पॉइंटर से मयाई चपचना सीगी लाइन सीगी मयाई चांद मतमदा अप डाउन एरो लगनी when you put the mouse pointer to this table line the mouse pointer changes to up down arrow now you click and hold the left mouse button and drag mana click to chinga mana kena mouse siznaraga rows and column gi width natraga height change je okay like this mana image yare now this is how we resize columns and rows now next is the table heading how we change the table heading now I'll delete this or I'll make a new table instead of deleting this I'll keep as this I'll undo here what we have done just now when we talking do undo the forget later undo over then we talk we do undo over aina ni ngam pa undo to ko su kai de Now I'll take a new document. New document ama hangdoge sida new document ama hangdoga sida table headings. Table headings is mine simi only. I'll insert some table here. From insert table. Now here I'll take the column as 5. Okay. I'll number of rows I'll take as 20 lower here suppose. Yoga the table Z I'll expand it to the next page. 이제 진행하다 마탕기 page 진행하게 page number 3, page number 2, page number 20 then or suppose. Let's see page number 1, 2. Now I'll take to page number 2 here only. Page number 2 butang lower Z. Page number 2, 3, 4 no, right? I'll write here name no, I'll write here serial number, in here name, in here class, in here roll number, in here section. See, say let it be the heading here. See heading will see. I'll make it as bold and make it as center. Lage see heading will lage heading will look so lage is text also you can see heading will. Now first select the heading. Click anywhere in the heading or select or click anywhere in the heading the click to below and go to the layout tab. Now after going to layout tab, go to the data group. Now here is data group and click on the option repeat header rows. I just click to view. So the once click over this is a red layer. Now next page is serial number, name, class, roll number, section. As long as I continue this table, now the header will be given as like this. Header is my period. Header is my period. And on the header Z, no need for typing the header again and again. Heading Z I hanjan type to the URL automatically lane repeat header rows the header rows rows header over rows no need for repeating. It will, as long as the table continues, these header rows will be automatically filled. Header rows. Okay, now next is the auto formatting the table. Auto formatting the tables now. I'll show you from the tables as I have given here. now adjust the table like this. Now I'll delete this. Delete rows. See the auto formatting the table room there anywhere in the table the click to below and go to the design tab. Design tab sang because arrow down kita table design में हम लेने click to design मोलानी or click to design मोलानी any design. See design में हमसे मखादा जोड़ी arrow down sang सिदागी नंग नंग खल्ला जोया. This is na auto formatting the table. Automatically format to masa matonda format to hapsaba. Akoina happy ba nataba masa matonda hapan ba si. This is how we do the auto formatting the table. Auto formatting to hai na mind to be tawada sigi masa matonda design yaujarabne sigi design changa from the designs already preset designs. Okay, the designs are already given here, ready-made table styles. These are the ready-made table styles. These are the table styles. These are ready-made table styles. No need for making again and again. You have to choose anyone from here. Nang apam segi click to video do khanbiro. Sida mayam laiba mayam segi nang apam mai da khalo. Duga nang happy be nang apam design do sei khanba. Disney ready-made designs and table styles mayam laiba. I hope you understand it well. Now if you have any problem also, you can ask or you can clear your doubts on the Meet class. That is all Google Meet class. Google Meet class and khangdaba and doubt level Google Meet class ta dum hangbe agani dipokatai ba clear is there practically, so I will explain you now. So here ends our chapter number 5. Now in the next video session class I'll do, okay, let's do the chapter which we have left earlier. Chapter number 2 ga 3 ga 1 tautoji, and let's continue with chapter number 6 ta laji mamangi chapter number 2 ga 3 ga 2 loira matungda chapter number 6 ta laji. For today let's wind up here. Hello chalaji, and our chapter number 5 also ends here. Chapter number 5 so is loire ado nina doubt clear to gaya gadi Meet class ta id Google Meet class ta clear to gaya gani. And don't forget to watch the videos or class videos. Okay, the toriba video class hi miss to gunu yengada adani ngaga gyan tadaba leiragadi Google Meet class adon clear to. Okay students, stay home, stay safe and stay healthy.